Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can restore already removed presentations in your account or workspace on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. So guys, there's only one way how this works. There is a trash folder in your Gamma AI account. So head over to Gamma AI, log into your account, and you will see the trash folder here to the left. So let me access it, and as you can see, no Gamma, or in this case your presentation, has been removed. So let me do that, for example, with this presentation here. For the sake of this tutorial, click into these three dots and let me send it to the trash folder. And now guys, if you, for example, did that accidentally, or one of your co-editors with access to your workspace, and you would like to retrieve the given presentation, let me just refresh the trash folder. You will need to head over to the trash folder, refresh it if needed, and simply locate the presentation. It will be here for a specific amount of time before it gets deleted permanently. I guess I'm not 100% sure, but it may be up to 30 days. Maybe these are going to stay longer in trash folder. I can't tell that for 100%, but as long as they are, bottom line is, guys, as long as these presentations are in the trash folder, you can still restore them by simply clicking into these three dots here and by selecting restore. Or if you click into permanently delete, guys, the presentation will be gone and this can't be undone. So make sure that you don't click into this button, but select restore. And there we go. Let me just return to the workspace homepage, refresh, and there you go. The presentation has been restored. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.